patient intake forms and surveys play a vital role in allowing clinicians to gather essential patient data, assess hearing health, and gain insights into patient experiences. To complete forms and surveys, launch a patient and navigate to the Summary tab. Click on the survey icon to open the survey module. In here, you can view a history of completed or in-progress forms and surveys. To add a new entry, select the Add Survey button located on the top left. Select the appropriate form or survey. From here, complete the required entries. Add a signature if it's required. Select Save to save and revisit the form or survey later. Or scroll down and select Complete and save to complete the form or survey. Your form or survey will now be visible under Surveys with a completed status. If a form or survey is part of a workflow, it's recommended to complete them through the workflow first, only revisiting them through the survey module if they have already been initiated. This ensures the accurate completion of the workflow.